Hello, third grade. Miss Bryant is ready to teach you social studies. Today, for your TCI assignment, you're going to need to go into Clever. Remember, yours looks a little bit different than mine, but you're going to click TCI right here. Okay, so TCI, this purple one, right down here. That's going to take you to a spot like this. Now, where you're going to need to be, today we're on lesson 1. Yesterday, we read the introduction. Today, we're on section 1, which is our community is on planet Earth. All right, so either read it yourself or go ahead and listen here. When you're done, go into Google Classroom and watch Miss Bryant's video where she will help you with your worksheet and review what you learned today. All right, I'll hand it over to Miss Bryant.
Good afternoon, class. It's time for Wednesday Social Studies. Tuesday, we talked about geography and map drawing. Today, we will learn about how our community is on planet Earth. Earth is shaped like a ball, and if you cut a sphere in half, you get hemispheres. Hemispheres are half of a sphere. Earth is broken up into several hemispheres. The equator divides Earth into the northern and the southern hemisphere. I like to think of the equator as a belt. You can also divide a sphere from top to bottom, which is called the prime meridian. The prime meridian divides the Earth into the western and the eastern hemisphere. We're also going to do a worksheet that we're going to get started on now. Okay, class, now it's time to do the social studies worksheet. It's called Our Community is Planet Earth. The directions read: label the hemispheres that are shaded dark gray, label the equator, and the prime meridian. Be sure to spell the names correctly. First, let's put our name on our paper. Miss Bryant. Always double check and make sure your name's there. Miss Bryant. So, we're going to label the first round circle, which is our Earth. It's the northern hemisphere. So at the top, you're just putting northern hemisphere. And then once we label our northern hemisphere, right here is our equator, the belt-shaped line going across that divides our Earth into the northern and the southern. To our right is the southern hemisphere. Right underneath the southern is the western hemisphere. This line that goes from top to bottom is the prime meridian. And over here to our right is our eastern hemisphere. I would like for you guys to label the equator and the prime meridian as well. I do apologize. I will go back and label that for you. This is the equator. And this one here is the prime meridian. And once you get everything labeled on the paper, and your paper looks like mine, you're all done. Don't forget to put it back into the Wednesday folder. Thank you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.